Hello students, welcome to my channel Bhavya Physics. Today we are going to discuss most expected fixed questions for 2 marks for coming quarterly test for second PUC. So based on your syllabus, I have listed out most expected questions for 2 marks. So let us begin with the first chapter. So before that, please note down quickly and go through these questions, practice these questions, and along with this, you have to practice your classwork and previous year question paper. So please go through textbooks also and practice all the important questions. Now let's begin with the first chapter. So in electric charges and fields, you are expecting these questions like state and explain Coulomb's law, statement 1 mark, explanation 1 mark, write Coulomb's law in vector form and explain the terms. Electric charges are quantized, explain, name the SI unit of charge and define it. Name means you have to write the Coulomb and you have to write the definition of Coulomb. 1 Coulomb. Sketch electric field lines for electric dipole or sketch electric field lines from positive charge as well as negative charge, or sometimes the question may be like this: Q1 is greater than 0, like this. Q1 is greater than 0 means it is positive and Q2 is less than 0 means it is negative. So that type of questions may be asked. Then define and mention SI unit like electric flux, or it may be dipole, or for dipole moment define linear charge density, mention SI unit like volume charge density and surface charge density and mention its SI unit. That type of question you can expect. Along with this, some properties of mention any two properties of charge or mention any two properties of electric field lines. State and explain Gauss law. So like this, most expected questions I have listed out here from first chapter. Now let us move to the second chapter here. What is electrostatic shielding? Mention one use of it. Last year annual exam question. Okay, so one of the very important question. And what are polar and non-polar molecules? Give examples. Or difference between polar and non-polar molecules. Give example. Or polar dielectrics, non-polar dielectrics. Give example. And what is dielectrics? Then mention its SI unit. Like this, here you can also expect what is dielectric constant. Okay, and what is meant by equipotential surface? Draw equipotential surface for an electric dipole. And you can also expect here what is dielectric breakdown and what is capacitor. Mention one use of it. Name and define SI unit of capacitance. SI unit of capacitance is farad. Name it as a farad and definition of farad. Then in current electricity, so many questions are there, students. So if you practice all these questions, so many are there. So you can even answer 3 marks questions, and derivation is also very important. So please focus on current electricity. Its weightage is more than all other chapter, and we are not going through weightage for quarterly test. So here some important 2 marks questions are like this: state and explain Ohm's law. And how does resistance of conductor vary with its length and area? Mention any two factors on which resistivity of metal depends. It doesn't depends on length and area. Okay, resistivity does not depends on dimension of the wire metal. It depends only on nature of the metal as well as temperature of the metal. And define current density. Mention its SI unit. Name the mobile charge carriers in metals or electrolytes, metals and electrolytes, or metals and gas or semiconductor, whatever they may ask. So for 2 marks. And how does resistivity of metal vary with the temperature? Show it in a graph or plot a graph of resistivity versus temperature for an alloy, semiconductor and copper. Copper means metal. Okay, so that is one of the important questions to plotting a graph for 2 marks. And along with this, so many definitions you need to practice, and you need to write the expression for it. Mention the expression for like mobility, relaxation time, drift velocity, and along with this electrical conductivity sigma, and mention the expression for current density in terms of electric field J is sigma E. Okay, electrical conductivity in terms of current density, or mention the expression for Ohm's law in vector form, that is J is sigma E. Okay, and explain the terms used. That type of questions you can expect here. Along with this, here there is a definition of EMF, internal resistance, and potential difference, terminal potential difference, or a make difference between Write any two difference between EMF and terminal PD, or why terminal PD is less than EMF. That type of question you can expect. And define power, electric power, and mention the expression for it, or mention the expression for power loss and explain the terms used, and state and explain Kirchhoff current law or voltage law. Okay, Kirchhoff current law or voltage law, or Kirchhoff laws. Okay, and moving charges and magnetism, only half portions we are studying for coming quarterly test. And here you can expect the questions like, what is Lorentz force? Write an expression. Lorentz force expression you should practice, because even it is asked for MCQ. And write the expression for force on a moving charge, that is Fm QVB sin theta. Similar, and mention explain the terms used. Mention the expression for magnetic force on a current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field, like BIL sin theta, and explain the terms used. Or derive an expression for radius of circular path, or when the force experienced by moving charge is maximum and minimum. Okay, that type of questions you can expect here. So students, I have listed out a few questions which are most expected for 2 marks. Okay, for it is helpful. I think it is helpful for quarterly test. And if this video is helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And to practice all these questions along with the questions I may miss out. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching.